Good morning, traders. This is James with Strategy Vault. You need to make some decisions in reference to your TradingView chart setup. Just wanted to give you the opportunity and the option on how you're going to receive your charts and your links. By the way, traders, we did great this week. We're trading in the hardest week there ever is to trade in reference to forex trading, and the reason is it is the holidays and very limited institutional traders and very few retail traders. Everybody's on vacation and holiday, so bear with me, and please take a moment and go ahead and read this disclaimer. This disclaimer you'll see in every video that we do. We have to let you know, according to the SEC and the CFTC, that you can and will lose money in the financial markets. So take a few seconds and read that over and make sure that you fully understand, and thank you for your cooperation in reference to. Okay guys, now that that's over with, like I said, we had a pretty good week for the 2 days that we traded during the holidays. You know, we met our $50 objective both days, and we took small profit on the 12 to 24 hour trade. Now, what I need you to make a decision is in reference to the charts and us sharing them with you. So what we have in front of us right now is one of the links that we share, so you can view our charts. Now, we don't like how this is coming out for you, our customer. Sorry about that. So we don't like how this is coming out for you, our customer, because you can't do anything on this chart. It is a view mode only chart. So if you follow my cursor and you try to change your time frame, you can't do that. You can move it around, okay? You can scroll it down where you can look back, but you can't. There's just not a lot else that you can really do other than see our chart and how our chart is reacting to our algorithm and our strategies, okay? So we don't really like that. If you're happy with that, then that's great. But what we want to do for you is we want to share you our live chart with you. So just give me just a second here. Okay, so now what we have in front of us is our live chart, and on this live chart you can change the time frames, and that is very important in reference to watching and holding a trade and managing your trade, as we tell you to manage your trade. So as you can see, this is a 15-minute chart. It went right to one of our levels that we mark on the chart, and that's another thing, is sharing our levels with you. We will get into that. So you need to be able to mark those levels on that chart as well. As you can see on this 15-minute chart, we have the 178 marked, and we also have down here the 125 marked, and we want to be able to share that with you on a nightly basis. And in actual reality, traders, this is going to be probably in the morning where you're going to get these levels, and I'm going to tell you why. Is because the market creates its structure overnight in the Euro session. So why we want to be able to share this chart with you in this matter is because, like I said, you can go in and change the time frames. Okay, so now it's distorted in a 1 minute chart, but all you have to do is you need to blow it up and be able to look at it. Okay, so how we're going to do that is you're gonna have to become a member of TradingView if you're not already a member, and you're going to have a pro account, which I believe it's like $15 a month to have a pro account. And I'm going to tell you right up front, yes, we will get a commission of you becoming a member of TradingView. It's something like 30%. what do we do with that money? We take that money, we pay to have more scripts written. We've got a lot of Nadex strategies that we're in the process of writing new scripts for. That cost us money. So that $5 a month that we'll be getting off of commission for you joining Tradingview, that's what helps pay for that. So back to the chart. So what we'll do once you become a member of Tradingview is we will share our script with you. This is a script that you install, and so you will always have it. And once again, it is a strategy for your vault. So we will share that script with you. We will teach you how to install it, and if you're not comfortable putting it on your chart, we can install it for you. Okay, so we want to be able, like I said, this is so much better, us being able to share our charts like this. And if you're happy with just a view only mode, we can do that as well. This is the options that you have. So we'll go back to the 5-minute chart. See, it's so much better to do it this way, you know. And so in reference to the chart, I know that there's a lot in front of you, but I'll tell you what, each and one of these indicators and our algorithms here, we're going to explain that to you. We're going to start with a bare naked chart. Every week we're going to give you a video in reference to, we'll start with, for example, like I said, a bare chart, and we're going to, every week we'll add on a new indicator or strategy that we are following. So as the introduction video said, you will earn and learn at the same time. Now there's a lot of traders or out there that in their services, each and one of these strategies, they charge you $100 to $200 a piece just to learn one strategy. Been there, done that, and really didn't get too much out of it. So we've been doing this for quite a while, and you know, we feel that you need all this information right up front, and we're not going to charge. This is all included in your membership. So we really want you to use our charts and learn from our charts, because like I said, we are committed to your education and understanding this and taking all the confusion out of it, because there's a hell of a lot of confusion out there, and I've seen some systems that are so confusing that it just blows your mind, which is, once again, at Strategy Vault, why we try to make this easy. I know there's a lot of lines in front of you right now, but once we explain these to you, you know, in the members only area, which if you're viewing this chart, you are in the members only area on Strategy Vault, there's going to be, like I said, videos in reference to each one of these strategies and each one of the meanings on the chart. So here in front of you is the stats from the first 2 days that we got to trade this year. So on the second we made a $51 profit, and on the third we made a $82.50 profit. I must stress to you that we are trading 3 contracts at a time. So if you're trading one, that's great. You're still in profit, should be in profit. Like I said, in reference in our group, in reference to the 12 to 24 hour trade, it got right to our line on our chart, and it turned around just as like we said it would. So we made approximately a $12 profit on that. So once again, I need you to make some decisions. So I need you to decide if you are happy with the view only mode in reference to the charts. Now, the only other way for us to share different time frames with you is to share several links. So that means you'd have one for the 15, one for the 5, one for the 1 minute. So we use the 1 minute to time our entries, you know. But once again, you have no control over this chart whatsoever. So, or you can go with this right here, which is our live chart. We will, like I said, we will teach you how to install this on your platform, or we can and will install it for you. Now, I do have to tell you, if you have us install it for you, you will have to give us your username and a temporary password, and we will have access to your account, which once we get the script installed for you, you can go back and change that and lock us out. But that is up to you, and I need you to make that decision. So you can either let us know in by a direct message in the Slack app, or you can email us at nadextradegroup@gmail.com, the same email you used to sign up. So with that being said, that's it for this Saturday, this short and sweet. Traders, it was a great week. We look forward to seeing you or trading with you Monday morning, starting at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or around that area. Can't promise it's going to be right on the dot, but that's what we're shooting for. So we're glad you're here. It's great. You know, we're going to learn and grow together. We're working on a lot of big things this year. It's going to be good. You know, we are committed to making our daily objective for the first 6 months. You know, in the introduction video, we didn't wow you with a whole bunch of math, but if you just sit down and you do the math, that could replace your income. So once again, glad you're here, and we will get back on this Monday morning. And as always, trade positive and God bless.